Hi everyone, welcome back to Unlock Learning. So, but, because and although, so these are all conjunction जिन्हें हम connector या link words भी कहते हैं और जिसका यूज़ हम दो sentences या दो ideas को join करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. So let's see. I fail, I study. I pass, I study. I study, I pass. I study, I fail. I study hard, I don't get marks. Very confusing, है ना? बस. See guys, you study, you pass, or you study, you fail. So ये क्या हो गया, ये आपका एक्शन और ये दोनों आपका रिएक्शन. So when an action lead to a positive result or positive reaction, we should always use so. And when an action leads to a negative, something bad reaction, we should use but. Like here in question number 3, I study, this is the action, and I pass, so this is the reaction. So we have a positive reaction, so we will use here so. And in question number 4, I study, I fail, so we have here a negative reaction, so here we will use but. And in question number 1 and 2, we have reaction in the first part of the sentence. I fail, so this is a negative reaction. So when a negative reaction leads to an action, we always use although. And when a positive reaction leads to an action, we always use because. So I hope you must be clear by now. So last question, that is question number 5. I study hard, I don't get mark. इसको आप लोग खुद से ट्राई करेंगे. Thank you.